Got my 2019 Seadoo GTI 155. Today we're going to install a Garmin Striker 4 depth finder for fishing. So I'm just preparing to mount the transducer here. Got some duck seal putty, and I'm planning to mount it kind of in the center here, right under the engine bay here. And I have the putty already put in place. It's a bit tight, you'll see. But that's where I'm going to test mount it. Hopefully it works. And yeah, I've already put down the putty down there. So I've got it kind of in there right now. It's kind of hard to see, but here, that is the transducer down there. A little bit tight. Get focus.